अज़बिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम मार्केटिंग का चैप्टर नंबर 13 द मार्केटिंग रिसर्च प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूड पढ़ेंगे। कंज्यूमर मार्केटिंग contact method are used to obtain information. Contact method can be listed as first mail questionnaires used to collect large amount of information at a low cost, to telephone interviewing, good method for collecting information quickly, 3 personally interviewing, which can be either individual or group interviewing. A form of personal interviewing is focus group interviewing. Focus group interviewing consists of inviting 6 to 10 people to gather for a few hours within a train interviewing to talk about a product, service, or organization. Computer interviewing is a new method being used in the technology age. Consumer read question for a computer screen and respond. A sample is a segment of the population selected for marketing research to represent the population as a whole. Marketing research usually draw about large group of consumer by studying a small sample of the total consumer population. Kinds of sample include a probability samples. Each population member has a no change of being included in the sample, and researchers can calculate confidence limits for sampling error. Non-probability sample sampling error cannot be measured. Research investment in collect primary data. Marketing researchers have a choice of two main research instrument: the questionnaire and mechanical device. The questionnaire is by far the most common instrument, whether in person, by phone, or online. In preparing a questionnaire, the marketing researcher must first decide what question to ask. Questionnaire frequently leave out questions that should be answered and include question. Step 3: implementing the research plan. The scientist next set the promoting research strategy into motion. This includes gathering, handling, and investigation the data. Information can be done by the organization, advertising, research staff, or interact interaction and information quality for utilizing its own staff. In any case, outside firm that spend significant time information frequently can finish the work all the more rapidly and at a lower cost. Step 4: interpreting and reporting the finding. The final step is the marketing research process is interpreting and the reporting the finding. The researcher should keep from overwhelming manager with number and fancy technique. Researchers should present important findings that are useful in the major design faced by management. Interpreting should not be left only to researcher. Marketing manager will also have important insight into the problem. Interpretation is the important phase of marketing process. Define consumer marketing. Consumer behavior is influenced by the buyer characteristics and the buyer design process. Buyer characteristics include four major factors: culture, social, personal, and psychological. Consumer marketing. Consumer behavior. Buying behavior refer to the buy behavior to final consumer, individual and household who buy good and service for personal consumption. The world consumer market consists of more than 6 billion people at present growth rate. The world population will reach almost 8 billion people by 2025. Consumer around the world vary tremendously in age, income,